Okay, hi friends, how are you? Okay, today we will discuss about Hindustan Unilever. We will discuss on stock option for positional trade. We'll discuss how we got the opportunity on last week, last before week. Okay, we will see why we choose these Hindustan Unilever stocks for positional trading. Okay, okay. First of all, if you see for a stock option on spot of stock, generally this way I'll do trading based on candle pattern. Here if you see this candle is a doji candle. That too, why I draw this line in monthly time frame, this is the major support. That means doji has formed in support area. Generally what will happen when doji formed in support area, it may chances go up, it will touch that support line and it may chances for bouncing back. Okay, for that reason I have chosen Hindustan Unilever. Okay, now based on this we will mark high and low on this doji candle for trading next cycle, that means next positional day. Okay. Okay, now let's see and we'll mark high and low of doji candle. Why I'm choosing only doji candle? Because I'm planning to take next week trade, like positional trade. For that reason, previous candle high and low I need to mark so that I'll get a clear idea where it's going to break out, where I can take entry. Everything I can get based on previous candle only. Friends, this is very simple strategy, a simple trade where easily we can get very good returns, very good profit. Instead of going with multiple indicators, like if you ask, so many indicators is available and so many strategies is available. So many strategies. RSI, sarcastic, EMA, 9, 10, 12, so many, 50, 200, so many things is there. If you use so many indicators, you'll get confused. End of the day, if you see, you'll get a confused, and finally you mess up with all the indicators, and finally nothing you cannot able to trade. If you trade also, either you'll go with minimum profit or maximum profit, losses. That's why always simple trade, it works like anything. Okay, go with simple pattern, simple thing, stick on that. 1-2 strategies or max 3. Focus plan A strategy, focus on that, do homework, do back testing 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, and finally take one trade, one lot, do that back testing, then based on that confident, you can build up increasing the trades also. That's how we always trade. Okay, there's so many SMC concepts, so many is there, so many, but in the end of the day, we need money. End of the day, we need money. Okay, that's how you have to focus always trading. Okay. Now if you see, already I marked high and low. Okay, then I'll click on OK and I'll enable this. Okay, now marking of weekly time frame on previous candle. See here what I told you here, two things, two confirmation I took entry. One confirmation is, one is doji candle which is formed on major support. It has formed on major support. How you can consider as this is a major support? If you see monthly, see this is the major support. If you see monthly, this is the major support. From here only it has bounced, again it came here, again it's bounced, again it touch here, again it's bounced. For that reason I'll consider this is as a major support. Now come to the weekly time frame. I already discussed with you a confirmation. Now directly go to the daily time frame. Okay, now next thing what we need to follow, we need to follow retracement. Okay, we need to follow whether retracement happened or not. Okay, if you see retracement, it's happened here. It went up, gap up, again came down, and here it has taken support here. If you see, this is the candle, previous candle, this is the candle, this is the April candle. It has taken retracement in day time frame, and here we need to take exactly entry. If you see, if you observe here, there was one hammer candle formed here. This is also one of the confirmation, hammer candle formed on support. Okay, weekly if you see, it's a doji, and daily frame if you see, this is a hammer candle. Now we need to take blindly on this area itself or this area also. Suppose if you missed here, you can trade here, anything is fine. Okay, now we'll go to the same thing in option chart. This is the option chart, this is the April 6th. Okay, again here also same concept. We need to mark high and low of previous week candle. Okay, this is previous week 36. Okay, mostly I already marked, no problem. Now we'll come to the daily time frame. Okay, here April 6th it has formed hammer. April 2nd formed hammer. Here also these also more or less hammer only. Okay, now for taking entry, see we already observed here, this is the major support. If you see previous videos, I already discussed with you, this is the major support. Previous videos I told you for intraday major support. This is I marked in weekly, that is positional. Now come to the daily time frame. We need to take entry here only. We have to take entry here. With stop loss is very less points. I think 2-3 points. If you see 3 points, okay. For entry, come to the lower time frame, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. When I told you this is on April 6th. See, it has opened here. Market has opened, came here, taken support. If you take entry here 33 in 15 minutes time frame, 32 also fine. Take entry here exactly. And in the spot you can keep SL. Otherwise you can keep this is as a SL. This line itself you can keep a SL. We given entry on here exactly 32, and you can keep 30 as a SL. Only 2 points we have taken stop loss. Then after that it has more. See, previous videos I already told you this is the major resistance. For intraday I told you previous videos. Now for this positional also, for weekly time frame, this is the major resistance. Okay, once it touches here, that it's a very big candle, you have to exit. No other go, exit. Again we can take an entry, don't worry. This line, this black line, once it will come to black line, again you can take entry. See, exactly it's taken support here. If you take here again entry on 60, keep this line as a SL or this line as a SL. 60 to 20 points we have taken a risk here. Okay, no problem. See here how much we got a point, 32 to 110, 60, 110, almost 3 or 9, 4 or 12. 4 times you got a profit here. Again same profit you can keep here. Take entry on 60, make it 48 as a SL, or if you want more, keep 43 as a SL. Take 20 points risk here. Wait, again you got here 50% profit. Okay, let's wait again, we'll see. See, again you got funds has doubled. This is breakout, it went straight. See, no retracement, it went like mad. There you got 4%, here you got a double. Example, you invested 1 lakh example. Okay, example, you invested 1 lakh, you got 3 lakhs as a profit in first time. Second time what happened, instead of 3 lakhs you are taking the lots, you can take 1,50,000 only. If you take 1,50,000, here what happened, again it's doubled. That means 3 lakhs, 1,50,000, 1,50,000, almost 6 lakhs you got a profit. See, I'm not telling take directly one time so many lots. Better take only 1 lot first. Try with that. Once you will get a confident, and you can go with multiple lots, 5 lots, 10 lots. How many lots you are comfortable, how many capital, based on your capital and risk, you can take it, trade. Friends, it's very simple, no? But we need to identify this way so that you can get a good profit. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Always remember, simple things will make big profit. Simple things will make very big profit. But you need a patience. We need to, that's what I told you, 1, 2, 3 concept. First concept, okay. Second concept, whenever you are free, do backtesting. Once you're focusing on first concept, focus on second concept, how it's working. Daily you can do your backtest. And if first concept SL got hit on day, same day, try to go with second concept. How it happening? Okay, we'll try this one. Keep it as a challenging. Trust me, if you do this consistency like this, definitely you will win. I'm not telling you don't get hit stop loss. You may get hit stop loss, but the concept should be one. Second concept also, with one, whatever you have one concept, little bit booster you can use. That's it. Even third also same, little bit booster. That's it. These strategies, this work, you can try with commodities, stock option, BankNifty, Nifty, mid cap, Sensex. Like that you can try, so that you can build up your confidence. And don't keep so many strategies, don't see so many concepts, don't keep in so many concepts, because even I work with so many concepts. Then finally I came one fine day, after seeing so many losses, better we'll go with one concept. Based on that we can take a entry. See, this is Ichimoku. I'll go with for what you call investment purpose. See, I can use this breakout also, but Ichimoku I'll get little confident for long, like long term. What you call, you build up a portfolio. Ichimoku is good actually. This future may I'll explain you. See, for long term I'll go with Ichimoku only. For positional trade and all, I'll go whatever my systems tell, my indicator will tell, that I'll go. Little bit of mind I'll keep here. Thank you friends. Thank you. Be patient whenever you're trying to trade. Whenever you're traveling, whenever any other works, please avoid on the day trading. And you have to plan before one day. Whenever you go for stock options, plan before one day, so that tomorrow it's very easy to take entry, especially for stock options. Even if you go for indexes also, you have to see some patterns, candle patterns. You have to see where is the market is laying today, that you can see. But don't watch news. If you go with the news, then again you will be in trap only. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on bell icon and share to your friends. If you have any queries, please comment below. You have any other stocks, you want any stocks for long term, short term, please comment on YouTube, so that I can give proper entry and exits on SL also. And please join in my Telegram channel, so that you'll get daily updates on free. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel. Click on like button, and Please share to your friends and relatives, colleagues. Thank you.